The Impact Dashboard makes responsible investing easy by showing you which companies in your portfolio share your values and which don't. In addition to calculating grades for your current positions, Impact Dashboard can also help you identify potential investments by grading companies in your watch lists. Impact features are available across all of our trading platforms, including TWS, IBKR Mobile and Client Portal. Let's take a look at the dashboard in TWS. Open your portfolio and click Impact. Move through the welcome screens to set your preferences. Click a value to mark it as important. To give the value more weight, click it again to tag it as very important. Your value selections will be used to calculate your portfolio impact score, which illustrates how well the principles you support are upheld by the companies in your portfolio. As you choose your values, keep in mind that the more you pick, the less impact each will have on your score. Next, select the practices to which you're opposed. These choices don't affect your portfolio score. Instead, we flag companies that engage in these practices. When you're done, we calculate your portfolio impact score, which shows you how well your portfolio aligns with your principles. This calculation uses company-provided impact data. Below your score, we show you what % of your portfolio has data. Note that this percentage reflects your portfolio weighting. For example, if only 2 of 10 positions have impact data, but those 2 positions account for 90% of your total portfolio value, we'll show that 90% of your holdings have data. Hover your mouse over a slice of the donut chart to see the % contribution of specific companies to the overall score, and whether that company's values align with, conflict with, or are neutral with respect to your values. To the right of the chart, we show an individual grade for each of your supported values. Click 1 to see how each of your positions scored for that value. Practices to avoid will display a small number in the upper corner if any companies in your portfolio engage in that practice. Click the practice to see the list of the flagged companies. We list your positions below the chart. The thumbs up, thumbs down icons in the Effect column indicate whether that company's values align with yours. Click a position for more details. We'll show you how that company aligns with your specific values and whether it's been flagged for any negative practices. For companies whose values are neutral toward or conflict with yours, we'll suggest alternative stocks whose values better align. Use the Trade button to set up an order. For more context, open the Fundamentals Explorer to dive deep into hundreds of data points on the selected asset, covering historical trends, industry comparisons, key ratios, forecasts, ratings, ownership, and more. Now let's see how the preferences you set in the dashboard can help you with future investments. We've added the Impact Effect and Impact Flag columns to our watch list. In the Impact Effect column, the thumbs up, thumbs down icons indicate whether companies you're watching align with or conflict with your impact values. In the Impact Flag column, flag icons identify companies that engage in business practices you'd prefer to avoid. Hold your mouse over the icon to see which practices are flagged. Spending just a few minutes in the Impact Dashboard defining your socially responsible investment preferences can help to ensure that your current and future investments always reflect your values.